What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're taking a look at some new sockets from Olsa Tools. Alright guys, this isn't going to be a full review. This is going to be a kind of unboxing and first look at these things. I don't like to give reviews on products until I've actually tried them out and actually given them a shot. So I'm gonna put these things through their paces. Got a lot of big things coming. 1 ton swapping a Cherokee, so I'm always gonna need sockets. And these are they look really high quality. They're deep impact sockets. And what I love about these sets already, you're not missing anything. It goes all the way from 10 all the way to 24. So they're non-skippable sets. Like finally, some of these companies don't get it, but Olsa Tools definitely does. Let's open these up and take a look, see what we got inside. Okay, I really have to say the packaging is top notch. 10 out of 10 for the packaging. Let's see if we can pop these open though. Even better, a nice plastic molded case. It says Olsa Tools on it. That's really neat. Seems like a nice sturdy case too. Not some of these cases that they send with sockets or tools are just cheap plastic, but this seems like it'll take a hit for sure. And then let's open this up. Latches are a little weird, but look at that. Nice oiled sockets. You guys can't even see. Look at that. Let's take a closer look. So these sockets look amazing. I mean, they're sockets, so what can you say? But it's got the nice printed, the size, and it says Olsa Tools. And if you think that'll scratch and chip and fade away, it also says right there, 24. Says it right on it. It's engraved in. Pretty deep, and it looks like it's not gonna wear off. You're gonna take a lot of abuse trying to scratch that off. You might scratch off this number, but you still have this right here. The case is labeled as well, 10 through 24, so you know where to put them back. I mean, it's kind of obvious though, the size, but nice quick reference to grab it, so in case this isn't turned the right way. But this is a really decent looking set. Let's open the other one. Check out the standard sizes. There we go. Labeled and neatly organized. That's what I need to put away my tools and organize them more, so these will definitely come in handy. So far, I would only say the one downside that I've seen for these cases is they don't like to latch too well. I mean, they latch closed, but it's kind of a pain to open them. Alright guys, that's it. I just wanted to introduce you to these new sockets, show you a little quick unboxing and opening. I'm going to put these through the test, and I'll be back in another video with a full review of these. But they seem like they're really good impact sockets, and they're not super expensive. You can check them out on their website, olsatools.com. There will be a link in the description below, and if you click on it, it'll give you 10% off your first order. And you can get some awesome sockets like this. Now, I am a brand ambassador. I just want to be upfront with you guys, but I will tell you if these are crap. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. And from what I see, they make good quality tools at great prices. This stuff looks really high quality so far. I can't wait to really actually test it out, and I'll tell you guys my honest opinion, what they're like. But if you want to get some Olsa tools and save some money, click the link in the description below. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.